I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love being able to explore the world around me. And these Cycorld women's hiking pants have really helped me to do that. There are many things that I love about these pants. One, it has a lot of pockets, and not just tiny little pockets where you can put just a chapstick here. They're big pockets. You can fit a phone in it. You can fit snacks in it. Things that you're actually going to need when you are on the trail. I really liked the zipper options, that they zip completely closed in the back. On the front, I like the angle of the front pockets because it allows me to open them and even to just comfortably slide my hands into it. I need to be able to put my phone and take out my phone with ease, and the Velcro makes it just a lot quicker to get that done. And these pants are convertible, so you can go from pants to capris to shorts, which is really nice because weather changes. I also appreciate the material. It's quick dry, so if it does get wet, which happened to us when we were hiking near a waterfall, we got soaked. But as soon as we walked away from that, they dried so quickly, you barely could even tell they ever got wet. And the material is very stretchy and durable. I also like that it's not very tight and form-fitting, because if you are hiking and it's cold, you have the option to put on fleece leggings for added warmth and comfort. So I have really appreciated these pants. They are so well made, they're so comfortable, they are extremely versatile, and that's my point of view.